Touch one, touch, oh. To the tune of all the way. Touch one, you touch all, Afro-cans after all. Together we rise, we stand tall. Touch one, you touch all, Afro-cans after all. No division, we heed the call. They try to divide us, try to make us fall. We say no, we stand tall. With the lies and the tricks, always answering the call. Together united, we'll break down the wall. Fighting each other, standing back to back. Remember from whence we come, we carry the track. They steal our culture, claim it as they own. But we know the truth, it's etched in our bone. Then sell it back to us, making us moan. We reclaim our power, our strength has grown. But we gotta be wise, see through the charade. Stand tall and united, unafraid. Touch one, you touch all, Afro-cans after all. Rise up, be fierce, let's answer the call. Touch one, you touch all, Afro-cans after all. We won't be silent, we'll never fall. They lock up our brothers, throw away the key. But we break free, just you wait and see. Keeping us oppressed for all eternity. They poison our minds with the TV screen. We're wise to the game, we reign supreme. Making us believe we lesser than we seem. But remember the power that flows through our blood. Together we rise like a wave and a flood. From ancient kingdoms to roots in the soil, we rich with history, ain't nothing to spoil. Touch one, you touch all, Afro-cans after all. Heal the wounds and behold, stand up tall. Touch one, you touch all, Afro-cans after all. Together we shine, together we'll ball. Let's rise up, let's unite hand in hand. Together we will stand across this land. En unidad, no hay separación. Vanguardia en la misma dirección. From London to Lagos, we'll break every chain. One heart, one voice, we'll dance in the rain. Touch one, you touch all, let the rhythm call. We're strong together, let's stand tall. Touch one, you touch all, Afro-cans after all. We are the future, we'll never fall.